Do you want to work at Google, Microsoft, Deloitte, Accenture, or any other top company? But no matter how many times you apply, you're not getting shortlisted. Then this video is for you. Because in this video, I'm going to share the extra techniques that helped my candidates land offers at the big fours and top MNCs. Hi everyone, I'm Diksha Arora, your interview coach, and welcome back to my channel. And today I'm sharing step-by-step strategies that work for both freshers and experienced professionals, especially if you're stuck, confused, or tired of rejections. So make sure you watch the video till the end because I will also share actual interview questions, shortlisting patterns, and free resources that will help you stand out. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you're notified every time a new video is live, and don't forget to click on the big fat like button if you appreciate my content. Now without any further delay, let's get straight into the lesson. First, let's discuss why you are not getting shortlisted. Let's be real, most people apply randomly to hundreds of jobs with the same resume and no strategy, and then wonder why they are not getting calls. Here's what top companies really look for. Number one, tailored resumes. They check if your resume matches the job description or not. Number two, keywords. Companies like Google, Deloitte, PwC, and many other top companies use ATS, which filters resumes based on keywords. Here's an example. One of my students applied to 20 plus companies with a generic resume and didn't get a single call back. Once we fixed her resume using the right keywords, she got shortlisted by Cognizant and PwC just within 10 days. You can use tools like JobScan to compare your resume with the job description. Also, if you want me to work on your CV, complete the registration process through the link in the description. Once you enroll, my team and I will personally work on crafting an ATS-friendly CV tailored to your target domain, packed with the right keywords to help you stand out. The CV will be delivered to you in just 4 to 5 working days. Now let's discuss how to get noticed by recruiters even before you apply. Now this part is a game changer because instead of waiting for job portals to work, you will take control. Now if you want to get shortlisted in a top company, the first thing that you need to focus on is optimizing your LinkedIn profile. Add a professional profile photo. Write a clear headline with your target role and relevant skills, just like you see in this example. Use keywords in your about section, and most importantly, add your top 5 relevant skills. Here's another example. One of my candidates, Shruti, had no experience in marketing. After she fixed her LinkedIn profile and started posting weekly content around case studies and marketing trends, she got a message from an HR at KPMG. Another important aspect that you need to focus on is build a personal brand. Post small learnings from your field. This could be your projects or recent certifications that you've completed. Use hashtags like hashtag open to work, hashtag job search, and any other relevant hashtags to increase the visibility of your LinkedIn profile. Now let's move forward and talk about where to find the right jobs. Stop applying blindly on Naukri or LinkedIn without a strategy. Instead, use these smarter and more targeted methods to find the right opportunities. Number one, if you are targeting LinkedIn to find a job, use filters like experience level, location, and date posted to narrow down relevant openings and avoid wasting time on outdated or irrelevant listings. Number two, if you're applying to job via company career pages, always visit the official career page of the company you're interested in. Many companies list job openings on their websites before posting them elsewhere. Now, if you are targeting hiring portals, platforms like InstaHire, HireEct, and FoundIt are great for discovering roles that match your profile. These portals often have AI-driven matching and are preferred by many startups and top companies. Last but not the least, you can also focus on trusted job portals with verified listings. Use platforms like LinkedIn, Naukri, Indeed, IIMjobs, and WellFound. These websites have large number of authentic, regularly updated job postings from reputed companies. Here's another example. I helped one candidate track 30 applications using a simple Excel sheet. She followed up on 5 shortlisted roles, got 3 interview calls, and 1 offer from EY. Hence, create a job application tracker. This could be a simple sheet with columns like company, name, role, applied date, status, follow-up date, etc. If you want to learn how to organize your job search, I have explained that separately in another video. I will attach the link in the description box below. Make sure to watch it. Now let's move to another part that you need to focus on if you want a job in a top MNC or a big company. which is interview questions that top companies focus on. Now let's talk about the interviews, because getting shortlisted is just step one. Here are 5 common questions asked by almost every top company, along with the guidelines to answer each question. Please pause the video and take a screenshot of this part. Here's a pro tip: practice these questions out loud. If you want detailed sample answers to these questions, you can easily go through my How to Crack Interviews playlist on my channel. I have covered all these questions in detail. Now here's a last point that you need to keep in mind if you want a job in a top company: certifications. Doing relevant certifications shows recruiters that you are serious. Here are free premium certifications you can add on your CV. To wrap up, let's quickly recap the 5-step formula if you want a job in a top company. Whether you are a fresher or an experienced professional, these techniques have worked for many of my candidates and they can work for you too. So don't just watch, take action. And if you want help with resume, LinkedIn profile, or complete interview preparation, you can check out all my services in the description below or on the Diksha Arora app. If you found this video helpful, and share it with a friend who's job hunting. And comment below what company you are aiming for. I might just make a video on how to crack it. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. And keep following your interview coach Diksha Arora to excel in your careers and land your dream job. Bye-bye, good luck and take care.